In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on RoboForex. Now, the first thing you have to do here, once you sign into your account, you actually have three options to trade. You could go and hover over Help up here, and then you want to go to the Download Center, and it's going to take you to a place here where you can basically download their versions of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 onto your computer, okay? So if you want to use any of these, you can watch my videos on my channel. I have tutorials on how to connect RoboForex on both MT4 and MT5. So again, go watch these if you're interested. But if you just want to go ahead and start actually trading using their platform, you could go ahead, and it doesn't matter where you are inside your dashboard here, go to the bottom left, and down here it's going to say our trading app, our stocks trader. Click on launch in browser over here, and then you're going to have to sign into your account, of course, with your username or email and password. And when you do this, you'll get your access over here to basically your account on stockstrader.roboforex.com, okay? And then on here, you can just go ahead and select the instrument you'd like to trade. So you could just go up here and type in whatever you want, look for it, and then you can just go ahead and basically click on it. It's going to pop up on your chart, and then you can just trade it here on the right-hand side by clicking either buy, there we go, or sell. And of course, that way you can then go ahead and open up your orders and basically trade. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.